In this video, we're going to explore the new tree view, a dynamic way to reveal hierarchy and relationships in your data, and what better dataset to use than one inspired by The Office. So our dataset represents employees of Dunder Mifflin. Each record includes their superior, role, department, salary, and a few extra fields like fun facts, years at the company, and age. We've built a simple dashboard to start. It gives us a high-level view. It has some top-level KPIs and a couple of views showing how employee count breaks down by location and the average salary by department. Now let's add a tree view to provide further insights. The tree view allows us to pick the type of network, either grouped or linked. So let's begin with the group network. Here we're grouping by location and then by department, and finally by employee name. We've color-coded nodes by location, so Scranton stands out from Stamford and NYC. We've added link weights based on mean salary. Thicker lines represents bigger budgets, and sure enough, NYC leads the way, and it's home of the legal and corporate departments. The tree viewer lets us customize how nodes look. Here we're using circles with labels to the right, keeping the theme soft and rounded. Now let's switch to a link network, perfect for visualizing reporting lines. We're mapping supervisors to employees. So David Wallace sits at the top, followed by Jan, Michael, and so on. You can immediately see who reports to whom. Tooltips let us inspect the details. Here I've added 3 tooltip measures: department, years at company, and fun fact. If I click on NYC, I can see that the other views adjust and brush to show the selected data. We can change the interaction mode to expand collapse, and this is particularly useful for large datasets. Here we can collapse Scranton and NYC. The initial expansion level can also be set. If we choose 0, everything loads collapsed, ready for exploration. The tree view is part of a flexible suite. You can switch between tree, Sankey, and Dependency Wheel with the same configuration. It's just a different lens. Whether you're breaking down department structures, mapping reporting lines, or just trying to figure out who actually reports to Creed, a new tree view brings clarity, flexibility, and a splash of fun to your dashboards.